To navigate the editor on Weebly, start by typing Weebly into a web browser's search bar and click on the resulting weebly.com link. If not already logged in, sign in using an email and password. The account dashboard features various sections, including Overview, Website, Items, Orders, Fulfillment, Reports, Marketing, Communications, and Settings. To access the editor, click the Edit Site button, which can also be found in the Website section. The editor allows for customization, including domain setup, brand identity, and upgrading account features. A preview option is available to view the website's appearance on desktop and mobile devices. The editor's left sidebar contains options for header, main banner, featured items, email newsletter, footer, and footer branding, with the ability to add new sections. The editor also features design options, such as color schemes, and settings for page customization, duplication, and addition of new pages, sections, and items upon completing the setup. The website can be published, and various design elements can be tweaked to achieve the desired look.